I don't know how things fell together the way that they did, but everything from when we decided to buy our fifth wheel and he was retiring and we wanted to come to the NRVTA to go to school, and at first it was just him going to go to school, and then we found out we could use the GI Bill benefits, so then it was like, maybe I can use those and go to school. And then by the time we closed out his career in the military and we got on the road, it was just enough time for us to get here, and that's about the same time that the GI Bill benefits were available.
Hi, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Cassie.
We are from Monroe, Utah. I've done 26 plus years in the military and just retired this year. And now, having been here through the last 6-7 weeks, the type of training, the way that they teach us, everything's hands-on. It's we're digging into learning how to chase power. We're testing propane. It's phenomenal.
And I think too, the GI Bill helped us to be able to say, yes, we'll go and we'll do the tech course, but we'll also do the inspector course, because both of those classes are options. And so where we may have only been able to do one or the other, we could do both, and that was really nice.
If you're a veteran and you're struggling with the decision to attend the NRVTA, don't wait. Get the ball rolling and just get here. Get the skills that you need.